You've probably seen those insanely viral stick figure animation videos popping up all over YouTube, racking up millions of views, gaining thousands of subscribers overnight, and making ridiculous amounts of money. But here's what's really shocking. This faceless channel, just 15 videos, yet it already has 900k plus subscribers and pulls in millions of views every month. And check this out, another channel with just 9 videos and 288k subscribers, and it's already making thousands effortlessly. Even crazier, they've already landed brand deals. That means on top of AdSense revenue, they're likely charging $4,000 to $10,000 per sponsorship. This isn't a joke, it's reality. And guys, it's not just these 2 channels. Even brand new and smaller channels are blowing up, getting thousands, even millions of views and subscribers. So if you're thinking you're late to the game, you're not. In fact, this might be the perfect time to jump in and ride the wave. But here's the best part, you don't need animation skills, expensive software, or even experience to do this. But what's the secret? In today's video, I'm revealing a brand new strategy to help you create these viral stick figure videos for your own faceless channel using free AI tools like Canva, DeepSeek, and more to start making thousands. So stay tuned, because this could be your next big break. Let's dive in. First of all, you need to create a YouTube channel, which is a very simple process. Make sure to name your channel according to your niche. Don't just pick a random name. Alright, after creating your channel, you'll need video ideas, topics that instantly grab viewers' attention and make them want to click, just like these channels are doing. Now, I don't know exactly how they find their topics, but I can share my strategy with you. This method will help you discover video topics that can easily get thousands of views. So, make sure to follow along. First, analyze these 2 channels together. Both create videos on life lessons. And as you know, people today face many challenges in life, so these videos help them find solutions. That's why such content is getting a great boost. You need to do the same. Let me show you how. Step 1. Copy all the video titles from one of these channels and arrange them in a proper sequence, and go to DeepSeek AI. Now, write a prompt like this. These days, topics like these are going viral on YouTube. Can you suggest some unique and intriguing video ideas related to life challenges? I'd love to create a video on a similar niche. Then paste the copied video titles below and hit enter. DeepSeek AI will generate unique and engaging video topic ideas that align with the self-improvement and life lessons niche. Under each suggested title, DeepSeek AI will also provide a reason explaining why the topic is a great choice for you. I carefully went through all the titles, and almost every idea was excellent, which is amazing. You can generate as many video ideas as you want using this method. Alright, now let's write the script. Keep in mind that for this type of video, the script needs to be unique. This won't be like a typical tutorial script, so pay close attention. First, I'll go back to this channel, open one of its popular videos, and check the description box. Here, I'll click on Show Transcript to view the entire video transcription on the right side. Then, I'll copy the full transcript. Next, I'll go to DeepSeek AI and add a prompt. Convert this transcript to a normal script and remove timestamps. Then, I'll paste the transcript and hit enter. DeepSeek AI will instantly convert the transcript into a simple script format. Now, to confirm that AI hasn't shortened the script, type this prompt. Are you sure that you didn't shorten the script or change anything else? And hit enter. DeepSeek AI will confirm whether it made any changes to the script. Once you're sure, move on to the next step. Now, type another prompt. I need a video script of up to 8 minutes on this topic while maintaining the same style and tone. Then enter your video topic and hit enter. DeepSeek AI will generate a complete script in the same tone and style, without timestamps. If you feel the script isn't long enough for an 8-minute video, tell DeepSeek, "This script is not enough for an 8-minute video. Please make it longer and more engaging," and hit enter. Within seconds, DeepSeek AI will create an extended version. It even suggests that if you want to add a sponsor integration, you can mention it in the prompt. Alright, now, I think this script is long enough for an 8-minute video, but before finalizing, read it carefully to ensure everything is correct. That's it. This is how you can write a script on any topic. Let's generate the voiceover. For this type of video, AI voiceover is the best option. I am going to use DupDub for this, and you can find the link in the description. You can try its 3-day free trial for free. After signing signing up on DupDub, go to the studio and open the text-to-speech section. Paste your script. Choose a voice. There are thousands, plus ready-made scenarios. For top-notch quality, select Ultra Voice under the Quality tab.
Once upon a time in a small village.
Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath and
do the difficult things while they are easy and
Hello, let's turn ideas into.
I'm in a small village.
You can tweak speed, pitch, and add pauses too. Once done, export the voice. Then, in the description, you'll find the Canva link. After signing up for free, you will reach the Canva dashboard. Now, just click on Create Design, go to Video, and choose Landscape Video. Now, this is the Canva dashboard. First, go to Elements and search for black paper. Keep in mind that once you use a black paper background, you will have to use the same paper effect in every video, including thumbnails, just like this channel does. This will help maintain the branding of your channel. Alright, I will now select a slightly textured black paper, set it as the background, and increase its duration in the timeline. Before creating the video, let's generate the voiceover. If you haven't generated the voice yet, no worries. You can also do it directly from Canva. Just make sure you've signed up on DupDub. After signing up, go to Apps, search for DupDub, and click on AI Voice by DupDub. Now, you will see the DupDub tool here. First, select a good voice. Click on See All, and you will find Ultra, Premium, and Standard voice options. If you want a realistic voice, select Ultra. Then, apply filters. Choose English for language, male for gender, and adults for age. Now, you will see ultra-realistic voices. Listen carefully to each one and choose the best voice. Now, scroll down and paste your script. Make sure the script is properly formatted so that it can be easily copied and pasted. Then, I will slightly reduce the voice speed and click Add to Design. Within seconds, the voiceover will be generated and added to the timeline. Alright, so this is one of the reasons why I chose DupDub, because you don't have to go to a separate website to generate and download the voiceover. Everything happens directly inside Canva. Alright, now, what we are going to do next might be easy for some people and a little difficult for others, so watch carefully. First, zoom in on the timeline as much as possible. Then listen to the voiceover carefully while keeping the script in front of you. Now, go to Elements and search for a stick figure. Boom! You will see thousands of stick figure animations here. But here's a hack. If you click on the 3 dots of any stick figure, and then click on the designer's name, you will see that this designer has created multiple stick figure designs, which you can use. Similarly, there is another designer who has created thousands of stick figures. Alright, now let's check the script. For example, the first sentence in the script is "Here's a dirty little secret." So, I will go to Elements, select a relevant stick figure, and use it. You need to change the color of the figure to white, and then scale up the size. Okay, now you have to ensure that every stick figure remains the same size. To do this, you need to use the ruler tool. Press Shift plus R on your keyboard to open the ruler. You need to place one ruler at the top and another at the bottom of the stick figure. Now, whenever you use a stick figure, make sure its size remains between these 2 rulers. Okay, before adding the figures, you need to split the voiceover so that it becomes easier to create clips. But no worries, let's do it now. First, listen carefully to the voiceover, and wherever a sentence ends, place the pointer there and press S on your keyboard. Doing this will split the voiceover after each sentence. Okay, now you can see that our voiceover is successfully split. Let's go back to the first scene. Here, we have just added a stick figure, but since this is the first scene, I want to add some text as well. So simply go to Text, select a suitable text style, and then replace the text to match it with the stick figure. I think this font looks really good. Great choice. You can also add text animation. Now, if you observe, the text layer and figure layer are covering the entire timeline. We need to split them as well and match them with the voiceover. So, I will zoom out, set the marker, and split both layers to align them with the voiceover. Make sure you split the scenes properly so that no scene overlaps with another. Now, let's move on to the next scene. I will check the script and notice that the word laziness appears in the sentence. So, I will place the cursor at that point, then go to Elements and search for a lazy stick. I will add it and make sure to adjust the size according to the ruler. Then, I will split this scene properly as well. Alright, similarly, you need to understand the script and create new scenes accordingly. To grab the viewer's attention, you can add speech bubbles in some scenes and include text well. However, make sure that the animation style is different for each scene. This makes the video more engaging. Then, I will split this scene properly as well. You can even use 3 figures in a single scene, but ensure that they are added in sync with the voiceover and not all figures appear at the same time. Something like, so guys, to save your time, I'm going to fast forward through the next part. Even though the steps are pretty simple, they can take a bit of time to complete. What you need to do is carefully follow your script and keep adding stick figures one by one, based on the scene or dialogue. As you move forward, remember to split the scenes properly to match the flow of your story. This will help keep your video structured and easy to follow. Also, don't forget to add speech bubbles for dialogues and use simple text animations to highlight key points or thoughts. These small touches will make your video much more engaging and viewer-friendly. Keep going forward until the entire video is complete. Head over to the share and download the final version of your video in HD quality. Let's see how the video looks.
Here's a dirty little secret. Your laziness isn't real. You're not actually lazy. You're addicted. Hooked on the cheap dopamine hits of distractions, excuses, and that cozy little lie that says, I'll do it later. But what if I told you that you could rewire your brain to crave productivity in just 48 hours?
Impressive. The video turned out even better than I expected. This is exactly how you should create your videos. Guys, right now, you might feel that this process is a bit tedious, but once you get used to it, you'll be able to create videos much faster. And with this method, you can build your own profitable, faceless YouTube channel. So don't wait, go to the description, sign up for DEEPSEEK and Canva, and start your YouTube journey today.